everybody, this is Brian with Chicago Jacks Wax, and today we want to talk about bugs. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's pristine appearance, every car owner knows the devil is in the details. From routine washes to waxing, each step plays a vital role in keeping your ride looking its best. But what about those pesky bugs that seem to have a knack for ruining a perfect finish? Enter Chicago Jacks Wax Bugzapper, a product that is quickly becoming a favorite among car enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. Here is why this innovative bug remover is a must-have for anyone serious about car care. We all know that bugs this time of year during the warm climate come out and they can destroy a perfectly detailed vehicle. But the benefits of Chicago Jacks Wax Bugzapper is it's easy to use, it's gentle on your paint, it can be used on chrome and glass as well with an easy application. It's eco-friendly, and whether you're at home or in a detail shop, it does give professional results. So by using Chicago Jacks Wax Bugzapper, it is going to be a game changer for keeping your car clean during the next several months while those pesky bugs are destroying and damaging all of your hard work. So give our team a call, stop by the store, see us at a local car show, or go to chicagojackswax.com to pick up this great, amazing product. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.